Good afternoon, children. How are you? Very fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Workbook, English workbook, volume 1. Open your English workbook, volume 1, page number 44. Open your English workbook, volume 1, page number 44. Answer the following questions. Who is the trader in the lesson and what does he trade? Who is the trader in the lesson? Arjuna. What was he trade? He sold a silk and also Ragna. Write down. Arjun is the trader. Arjun is a trader in the lesson. Arjun is a trader in the lesson and he trades silk and rugs. He trades silk and rugs. Arjun is the trader in the lesson and he trades silk and rugs. Okay? Second one. How did the trader and his men prepare for their journey? They prepare for the journey now. What they prepared? 1. On the day of the journey, on the day of their journey, on the day of the journey, the canvas tents and poles. The canvas tents, poles, great leather bags of water, greater leather bags of water, great leather bags of water, firewood, bags of rice, and barley meal, The merchant's goods were all loaded onto the camels. They planned to rest during the daytime, and travel in the night and travel in the night in the desert. In the desert. On the day of their journey, the canvas tents and poles, great leather bags of water, firewood, bags of rice, and barley meal, the merchant's goods. These are all were all loaded onto the camels. Okay? They planned to rest during the daytime and travel in the night in the desert. They planned like that. Come to your answer. Next, third answer. How did the pilot lead the caravan? The pilot led the caravan. The pilot led the caravan by reading the stars. By reading the stars. By reading the stars in the night. In the night. The pilot led the caravan by reading the stars in the night. Complete your answers. Complete fast. Next. How did the men know that there was water ahead? Next, fourth answer. The men knew that. The men knew that. The men knew that there was water. There was water ahead. Ahead. When the camels suddenly raised their heads. Suddenly raised their heads excitedly. Their heads excitedly. Stretched their nostrils. Stretched their nostrils. Stretched their nostrils and accelerated eagerly, and accelerated eagerly. The men knew that there was water ahead when the camels suddenly raised their heads excitedly, stretched their nostrils, and accelerated eagerly. Amma, whenever the camels know, they smelled the water. If the ponds are ahead, అంటే ముందు పాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాటర్ పడాల్సి ఉన్నాయి, ముందే తెలుస్తుంది వాడికి, బికాస్ they smelled them, they smelled the water. Okay, they smelled the water, and how they will give the signals to the guide. How they will give the signals? The water is ahead, ahead anta mundu unnayi, water puddles mundu unnayani వాళ్ళకి ముందే తెలిసి సిగ్నల్స్ ఇస్తాయి. ఎలా అంటే by stretching, they raised their heads excitedly and stretched their nostrils and accelerated eagerly. అంటే ముందే వాటర్ అని వాళ్ళ ఫిజికల్ బాడీ మనకు చూపెడుతుంది, తిరగడము, హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవ్వడము, తన నోస్ట్రిల్స్ని పెద్దగా చేయడము ఇలా చేస్తుంది. బై దట్ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద వాటర్ puddles are ahead. Completed answers. Next, what did the men do at the daybreak? What did the men do at the daybreak? Then the men stopped. The men stopped. The men stopped at daybreak. At daybreak, spread the canvas tents. Spread the canvas tents. Spread the canvas tents. Fed the camels. Fed the camels. Fed the camels and made them rest. And made them rest. And made them rest. They also build fires. Fires and cooked rice and cooked rice and cooked rice and made barley meal cakes and made barley meal cakes. The men stopped at daybreak, spread the canvas tents, fed the camels, and made them rest. They also built fires and cooked rice and made barley meal cakes. Okay, what is your answer? Next answer. Amma, I am wrapping the third answer, Nana. Next, why was Arjun called the savior? He is called a savior. Why? Because he saved the men. He found the water. Saved the men, no? They lost their way. They lost their water also. At that time, all the men said that we are going to die. Without water, how can we lead in the desert? At that time, they felt we are going to die. But at that time, Arjun found the water. He dig a hole. Okay? They broke a rock. Under the rock, there is a plenty of water. So he is called as savior. Arjun was in true sense. Arjun was in true sense. Arjun was in true sense a great leader, and a savior, because he led his men. He led his men bravely. He led his men bravely and saved them. Fourth answer, Ravi. And saved them from the death. Saved them from death. By searching for water. From death, by searching for water and never giving up his hope, and never giving up his hope. Amma searched everywhere for water. He did not give up his hope. దొరకలే వాటర్ అనుకోకుండా చాలా he tried and tried for water. Finally, he got that. Arjun was in true sense a great leader and a savior because he led his men bravely and saved them from death by searching for water and never giving up his hope. Come to their answer. Next, take next page. Circle the correct verb. The elephant, trumpet or trumpets. The elephant trumpets. Trumpets ku na చేయండి సెర్చ్ చేయండి trumpets. Here for the single noun. For the single noun, we have to use S to the verb. Radha sings. Because Radha is a single noun. For the single noun, when it is in the present tense, we have to add S to the verb. Amma simple present lo. In the simple present, here I will explain you once again. In the simple present means subject place, verb first form place, object. She sings. She sing a song. She is the first person singular. Simple present tense lo ante verb first form lo unnappudu simple present tense lo if it is the third person singular we have to add s to the verb. Okay, she sings a song. The elephant answers the third person singular, so we have to add s to the verb. Trumpets, trumpets circle trumpets. Next, Sita wins. Sita wins. Sita is a third person singular, so wins. WINS wins circle cheyandi kada. Circle wins. Those buses. Buses is a plural. Only I am saying singular. Singulars maatrame s add cheyali manam. For plurals no need to use s. The buses bring. Those buses bring only. BRING bring in circle cheyandi. These ice creams, here also plural. Ice creams plural kada. 3 ice creams are there, so that is plural. So no need to add s. Anama ee word singular kabatti s add chesnam. Buses ki bring only, not brings. Enduku? This is the plural one. Buses plural. This is the plural kabatti s add cheyoddu. Here also cakes taste only. Cake taste. Because ice creams plural kadra. Ice creams is a plural one, so no need to use s. Taste only. Ice creams taste. The dog singular. The dog empty noun chases. Because dog is a singular one. The dog singular one, so we have to add s to the verb. Chases. The dog chases. My brother also single. My brother, that is a singular noun, so loves. LOVES, loves. For singulars we have to add s. For plurals we should not use s. Singular ki s petali kada. She sings a song, s. Those buses bring, not brings, because this is a plural. Buses plural kabatti s petali. Okay, next, fill in the blanks with appropriate helping verbs. Today's class is completed. Remaining bits I will do in the next class. Okay, bye.